In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Don't worry, to follow this video you don't need to download any recorder app, but you need to find one that's already on your Lenovo. So find it, and when you're ready, click on it. Now use blue button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, unpause it first, and then click on left button. To end it and save it though, click on the right one. Now, common mistake is that people click on the same button in order to get in the recordings list, but when you click on it, you will just create another recording. What you need to do is tap on those three lines at the top right corner to access all of your recordings over here. Now, play one by clicking on it, but manage one by holding it, because after you do, you will see all of those options at the bottom. By clicking on this one on the right, you can share it. By clicking on rename, you can type in whatever you want to name it and hit finish to save its new name. And last but not least, by clicking on bin button on the left, you can get rid of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!